Hello everyone, this is Movie and Game Lover 98, and today I'll be doing a video where I show that I plugged in my 4K HDMI cable to my 4K Blu-ray player, and also into this switcher. So yeah, I put it into input number 1, because my 4K Blu-ray player is on HDMI 1 on the switcher, and I'm using the first HDMI port on my TV. It's traveling down here, down to the bottom of the back side of the Blu-ray player. Let's see what happens. Yeah, don't mind that DVD in there, that's just my Leapfrog DVD. Yay, that works. Maybe if I do more opening videos, that'll have the sound look better when I do more openings to my Thomas releases and so on. So anyways, yeah, that was a very quick video showing where I plugged in my 4K HDMI cable to my 4K Blu-ray player. I probably should have gotten a smaller one, but that's okay. I'll probably do something with this when I have, like, maybe a bigger TV stand, but this will have to do for now. So anyways, yeah, that was a very quick video on me showing that I plugged in my 4K HDMI cable to my 4K Blu-ray player and to the TV. So anyways, yeah, that was a quick video. So have a great time, everyone. This is Movie and Game Lover 98 signing off, and have a nice time, everyone, and see you for more videos coming along the way soon.